So welcome back, guys. In today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can start a MI device with simply the volume button. You heard me right. It's quite possible that on your MI device the power button isn't working, and so you find the need of starting the phone simply with other options available. Now let's look at how you can turn on this device with the volume button only. So this is basically the MI 10T Pro. Here on the right side, you see there is this volume down, volume up, and the power button is here, which presently we are assuming isn't working. Now, if this is the case, what I advise you to do is plug in the charging cable at the bottom. Okay, once you have done this, now basically keep the volume up button pressed. So you can see it's charging. So you see the MI logo, and now we have entered the recovery options. Now, once you have entered the recovery options, the way the thing works is you basically use the volume down and volume up button to make a selection. So you basically navigate, and in order to actually have this option activated, you need to press the power button. But the power button isn't working, right? So the power button isn't working. So I keep the option selected at reboot and I leave it at that. What happens is in recovery options on a MI device, if like you are not making a selection using the power button, the phone after some time will select the option which is already there, which is selected, and move on. This happens after some time, maybe the time is 3 to 4 minutes. So you keep the phone in this position. So you basically use the volume buttons to navigate, so the volume up and down to navigate, and you head towards the reboot option and keep the phone at this option. The phone will itself go to the subsequent next page, assuming that you have made this selection. Reboot means restart. So now the next page would be reboot to main mode. So basically that would happen after a while. So don't worry, just hold on the phone to this thing. Just take the volume button and select it to reboot and just hold it there. Go and have some water. Just let the phone go to the next page. So as you can see, we have already come to the next page, reboot to system. I mean, the phone itself took us to this page without having to make any selections. We simply navigated using the volume buttons. Here again, I can use the volume button to go down or go up. Wherever I go, if I don't make a selection, the phone assumes that the present selection is made after a certain period of time. So again, maybe for 2-3 minutes. The last one took around 2.5 or 3 minutes approximately. So again, this will take around 3 minutes approximately. So we'll just pause on here and then we'll resume when the phone is about to go to the reboot stage, and that is basically the phone restarting itself. Well, we have almost waited for around 1 minute and I wanted to show this thing live. So I will let you see what actually happens so that you can actually have a feel of the things as it happens live. So as it happens, I will just tell you what we did in the start. So the power button was not working. So we took the charging cable, we put it inside, we pressed the volume up button. The phone entered into the recovery options. Using the volume buttons, we could still navigate. So we navigated to the reboot option and we kept it there. The phone, if it's kept on a certain option, automatically made that selection and proceeded after certain time. We are now in the second page. In the second page also, we have used the volume buttons to navigate and we have navigated to reboot to system. And the phone, as you can see, now has acted as if the reboot option had been selected and pressed. It took say around 2 to 3 minutes and we are now seeing the MI logo and the phone will subsequently start. So this is how, like, in case the power button isn't working, you can simply use the volume button to start your device. And this can be a lifesaver and it can actually help many people who are not able to start their phones, and maybe knowing this trick can make good use. So know that this works on Redmi and MI, wherein the recovery options selected don't really need the power in order to make that selection. The phone will make that selection by default after a certain stipulated time. If you find today's tutorial helpful, kindly do share this with your friends and family. Do also subscribe to the channel and also let us know in case you are facing any other technical issues on your device. We try to kind of troubleshoot that uh, bug or like find solutions and obviously make videos so that your life becomes a lot easier. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.